Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. Many thanks and congratulations for coming to Sonia Craft Gallery. Today I am here with another new video. I hope you will like the video very much. Color paper should be cut into 8 cm size. The paper should be cut like this. Make a stick of camera. This time I attach the flower with glue. Paper should be colored with colored pencil. I will attach the leaf. So see how beautiful a flower is made. Many thanks Sonia Craft Gallery for watching the video till the end. Like, share and comment to get new videos and subscribe to the channel and hit bell icon.